ChatGPT and artificial intelligence is trending all over social media. I myself use artificial intelligence in trading bots to trade cryptocurrency and make passive income online. Eazybot is by far the most advanced AI trading bot I have ever used and just made me another Christmas and New Year's present. 18.4% profit on a single trade. The main questions are, how is this possible and how does Eazybot differentiate itself from other classic trading bots or grid bots? So let's talk about traditional trading bots and their grid strategy. With a grid strategy, you have preset buy and sell orders depending on market conditions. So the bot already knows exactly when to buy and when to sell. So to make it easy, I'll show you a graphic right here. My grids are every 20 cents, so the yellow lines are my grid orders. Okay, so we have it at 960, 940, 920, $9, 880, 860, and 840. The grid bot always will buy when the coin hits the preset buy order from top to bottom. So in our example right here, we will have 7 buy orders at 940, 920, all the way down. Every time we cross a grid, we will buy. Adding all buy orders together, we will have 7 buy orders for a total of $61.60. In a grid strategy, the sell orders are vice versa. So every time we go up through a grid, we will sell. This will also bring us 7 sell orders starting at $8.40, then $8.60, $8.80, $9, all the way up to $9.60. Every time we cross a grid from bottom to top, we will sell. So we will have 7 sell orders for a total of $63. And it's not hard to see that on every grid sell we will do or we will make, the bot makes, we will have a profit of 20 cents. So we have a total of $1.40 in profit or 2.27%. Now, how does Eazybot compared to normal grid bots react in those market conditions? Let's actually pretend that we have the same buys as in our grid strategy. So we have 7 buys for a total of $61.60. For selling all covers, Eazybot uses a strategy called retracement. So we do not sell immediately when market conditions are met. We need the price to go up through our preset target and then drop at least 0.5%. That's called retracement. So we will not sell by crossing every single grid right here. We need the market to then drop at least 0.5% to be able to sell our orders. With our numbers right here, and keep in mind guys, all of this are theoretical numbers, we would have a sell order about here. And you can see actually this first sell order would make less profit than the grid strategy because we just touched our market conditions to sell and immediately dropped. So in this case, we would make less profit. But you can see that all other 6 buys would make much more profit because our coin chart here skyrockets up. Okay, we go through all the grids and we are not selling here, not selling here, not selling here, not selling here. We go all the way to the top and from here wait 0.5% to drop and then sell all 6 covers. So in this theoretical example, we would bank in $65.78 or $4.18 in profit, which equals 6.79%, which makes 59.7% each trade. That's almost triple the value of the normal grid strategy. The good thing about it is that Eazybot not only uses profit retracement on sell orders, it also uses the same strategy on buy orders, so we make even more profit. I'll show you right now. So in our Eazybot smart strategy, we also only have buy orders when we go through a certain price target and then go back up. This assures us that if the market conditions are really bad and the price really drops hard, we are not immediately buying and buying all over again. We will wait till the market goes back up, like right here. Okay, we will not buy immediately here. We will wait till the price drops all the way down and then buy when it goes back up 0.5%. So in this theoretical example, we would have, for example, 5 buy orders. Okay, right here, we will go all the way through and then go back up. We go through, back up, go through, back up, go through, back up, and go through, back up. Okay, so we have 5 theoretical buy orders right here for a total of $43.58. Now the sell orders remain the same. Okay, we have our first sell right here from buy 5 for $8.36 and the other 4 all the way at the top for $9.57. Banking us $46.64 or $3.06 profit, which equals 7.02%. So you see, with the Eazybot strategy, we would have less investment and more profit. But now guys, let's check out our live account numbers, and those are even better. So here we have 4 buys and sells from my personal live account using the cryptocurrency Solana. And after the presentation, I will show you in my live account that those numbers are true. But as you can see right here, we have a buy order from cover 10 at $8.57 and the sell cover 10 at $10.15. As you can see, we sold all 4 trades at the same time. So it utilized the Easybot strategy to not sell immediately when we hit the grid. We shot all the way through and could sell all 4 trades at the same time. And those are all the numbers. For cover 10, we bought for an amount of $26.99. Okay, and we sold it for $31.97, banking in profit of $4.97. And that it's not fake, you can see it right here. We bought $26.9955, sold $31.9725. Same as here. Profit $4.977. This equals 18.4% profit on a single trade. That's absolutely ridiculous. And also all the other numbers are very, very strong numbers. Cover 9, we profited $3.96, making 14.7% on this trade. Cover 8, $2.95, 11% on the trade. And on cover 7, $1.78, banking in 6.61%. In total, only adding those 4 trades, and again, it's only 4 trades. The bots make hundreds or thousands of trades each day. We made 12.7% on our investment only on those 4 trades. Let's check it out in our live account. So here we are in the dashboard, and as I said, I used Solana to make this trade. Let's check it out. Back in the bot settings of my Solana bot, we see we started this trade at $38.35. And as you saw in the stats, Solana was trending and trading at $8.50. Guys, I've never seen a bot losing that much in value of the coin and still trading and still banking in profits. So when we scroll down to see the covers mentioned in the presentation, and here they are. Here you can see cover 7, 178 profit, cover 8, cover 9, cover 10. December 29th, 11:38 p.m. Those are the numbers, guys. And we even sold another trade right here. We had 5 trades sold at the same time because the Easybot strategy used the profit retracement to not sell immediately, take the pump all the way to the top, and then when it went down again, then sold. And we can see it right here. We sold actually an hour before at $8.33 and then took it all the way up, sold at 10.12, 10.16, 10.21 in the same minute. So you know there was a lot of volatility with Solana when we were selling at the same time but still got different prices. But guys, even with those absolute insane numbers, keep in mind that this is no financial advice and everybody's numbers are different. Crypto is very volatile and very risky. I'm not a financial advisor, and please do not take this as financial advice. Make your own research and make your own decisions of that. For me personally, Easybot again has been my best investment so far in 2022, and I think continuing in 2023. I'm very blessed using it, but let's wrap it up. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun.